Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Gautami from Freshers Camp. Hope you all are doing great. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do so and hit the bell button to get the latest updates. Adobe is recruiting freshers. About Adobe, Adobe Systems Incorporated is an American multinational computer software company. The company is headquartered in San Jose, California, United States. Adobe has historically focused upon the creation of multimedia and creativity software products with a more recent foray towards rich internet application software development. It is best known for Photoshop, the portable document format that is the PDF, and Adobe Creative Suite as well as its successor Adobe Creative Cloud. Now about the job role, the opening is for software engineers and the positions required are two positions are opened and the job location is going to be Noida. The salary or pay scale is going to be the best in the industry. And the qualifications required is a degree in BE or B.Tech in computer science or IT or a BCA or MCA degree. Now about the job description, one has to debug software products through the use of systematic tests to develop, apply and maintain quality standards for company products. Next, develop, modify and execute software test plans, automated scripts and programs for testing. Analyze and write test standards and procedures. Also, maintain documentation of test results to assist in debugging and modification of software. Next, analyze test results to ensure existing functionality and recommend corrective action. Consult with development engineers in resolution of problems. Next, provide feedback in preparation of technical appraisals of programming languages, systems, and computer software. Lastly, ensure quality computer integration into the overall function of scientific computation, data acquisition, and processing. All the interested and eligible candidates do apply as soon as possible. Go and check in the description box below. I'll be linking an article right there. Go through the article and you will find the apply link in there. That's all for today. Hope you liked our video. If you do so, then please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Also, please do follow us on Facebook and Instagram. The handles of both are provided in the description box below. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.